Have you ever wondered what it truly takes to become rich? In today's video, I'm about to dive into Dave Ramsey's insights on wealthy people's mindsets. Say goodbye to shortcuts and join me on the journey to becoming rich.
People who have wealth and keep wealth and build wealth have a long-term planning window.
Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy is simple. Think long-term and plan. Like wealthy individuals, you should consider your financial future early on, including retirement and saving for your children's education.
Think long-term. And so, like, wealthy people start thinking about stuff like retirement and how I'm going to pay for my kid's college when the kid is born, not when the kid graduates from high school. It's like woohoo, oh God, right? It's like, woohoo, when baby's born, we're going to start planning now. You start thinking long-term. That's how this works.
Delaying these decisions can have serious consequences. The woo-hoo moment should come from setting clear goals and working diligently towards them. Planning for a child's future should start as soon as they are born, reflecting a commitment to their education and financial stability. Thinking long-term is the foundation of wise financial management. Dave Ramsey learned this lesson the hard way. In his 20s, he pursued fast riches through risky real estate deals, amassing $1 million quickly, but it was built on debt, leading to bankruptcy when loans were called in. Many of you have made financial blunders pursuing quick riches, from collecting Beanie Babies as investments to buying countless lottery tickets. Getting rich quickly works for only a lucky few. It's a rare occurrence. If you truly desire lasting wealth, it's time to abandon the rush for quick riches and embrace the tortoise's approach. Slow and steady wins the race, as Dave discovered. Dave's journey didn't end in bankruptcy. He committed to eliminating debt and rebuilding his life with the baby steps, a methodology we all know and love today. He paid off debt, saved, and became a millionaire. Dave Ramsey is a baby steps millionaire, and I'll guide you on becoming one too.
Myths, 4 lies that people say and some people believe about wealthy people.
Here are the wealth myths debunked by Ramsey Solutions. Myth number 1, wealthy people take big investment risks. Contrary to common belief, nearly 80% of millionaires didn't amass their wealth through high-stakes investments. Instead, they built their fortunes steadily by investing in reliable, long-term growth options like employer-sponsored retirement plans. Myth number 2, quick riches through risky ventures. Investing all your money in trendy but volatile options like cryptocurrencies and NFTs can result in quick losses. The millionaires we surveyed didn't attribute their success to flashy investments. None identified single stocks as their primary wealth-building strategy. Building wealth the right way is a patient, methodical process, far from a thrilling roller coaster ride. Myth number 3, wealth requires high-paying jobs. Despite assumptions that millionaires are often doctors, CEOs, or bankers, our research found that engineers, accountants, teachers, managers, and attorneys were among the top 5 career choices for millionaires. Their wealth didn't primarily stem from sky-high salaries. 93% of millionaires attributed their success to hard work, not necessarily enormous incomes. Surprisingly, 1/3 of the millionaires surveyed never earned a 6-figure salary in a single year of their careers. Myth number 4, wealthy people inherit their fortunes or rely on luck. Contrary to the notion that wealth is often inherited or luck-based, 79% of U.S. millionaires did not receive substantial inheritances. They achieved their wealth through diligent effort and financial acumen, demonstrating that ordinary individuals can attain financial success through hard work and intelligent money management. The road to riches might not be as quick as you'd hope, but it's the right way to achieve lasting prosperity.
I was first teaching people how to get out of debt, live on a budget, be generous, live on less than you make. So you have a plan, you avoid debt, you save money for emergencies and later for investing. And all of those principles work, but people kept saying, which one do I do first?
Now let's hear Dave Ramsey. Learning how to escape the clutches of debt, master budgeting, practice generosity, and strategically live below your means are transformative steps toward financial freedom. It's understandable that some of you might wonder, where should I start? Let me assure you that you're asking this question is a great sign of your commitment to improving your financial well-being. The key is not so much in the order you tackle these principles as in the consistent effort you put into each one. You don't need to do everything perfectly from day one. Begin where you feel most comfortable and make gradual progress. Over time, you'll find your rhythm and see positive changes in your financial life. Dave Ramsey's guidance and wisdom are here to empower you on this journey. So here's the step-by-step guide, starting with Step 1. Start with a solid foundation. This step corresponds to baby steps number 1 to 3. Baby step number 1. Save $1,000 for your starter emergency fund. Baby step number 2. Pay off all debt, except the house, using the debt snowball. Baby step number 3. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund. Start by saving $1,000 for your initial emergency fund to lay a solid financial foundation. Then concentrate on conquering your debts, excluding your mortgage, through the debt snowball method. Finally, ensure your financial security by creating a fully funded emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. These steps form the cornerstone of your path to lasting prosperity, offering immediate protection and long-term financial stability. Step 2. The Millionaire Blueprint. Step 2. The Millionaire Blueprint emphasizes that while the path to financial freedom requires patience for around 20 years for adherence of these principles, it's a tried-and-true strategy that Dave Ramsey popularized many into millionaire status. Notably, a burgeoning Baby Steps Millionaires community has achieved this milestone in just 12 to 17 years. Step 3. Invest in your future. Step 3, part of baby step number 4, entails securing your financial future with these key actions. Allocate 15% of your household income for retirement investments. Prioritize consistent long-term growth by investing in trusted growth stock mutual funds. And keep in mind that this is a strategy for gradually building wealth rather than a quick fix scheme. Step 4, secure your children's education. Step 4, which aligns with baby step number 5, Save for Your Children's College Fund, focuses on securing your children's education. It involves setting aside funds for their future educational needs, which can be achieved through options like a 529 college savings plan or an education savings account. By taking these proactive steps now, you're ensuring their success whether they opt for college or pursue a trade school education. Step 5. Debt-free and loving it. In Step 5, also known as baby step number 6, you'll focus on becoming debt-free and savoring the freedom it brings. By paying off your home ahead of schedule, you can celebrate the moment when you no longer have to make mortgage payments. This achievement marks the pinnacle of financial freedom and a life without debt. Step 6. The Joy of Generosity. In Step 6, also known as Baby Step 7, Build Wealth and Give, it's time to embrace the fruits of your labor. Having attained debt-free status and steadily growing wealth, you can now share your prosperity with others, create an inheritance for your children and future generations, and establish a lasting legacy. While the path to wealth may not be filled with flash and glamour, it is a dependable and sustainable route. Each step you've taken is a crucial building block on your journey towards financial freedom and a prosperous future. So begin your journey today and relish the rewards that await you tomorrow. Becoming wealthy is within reach for anyone willing to embrace patience, unwavering commitment, and diligent effort. Regardless of your current financial situation, whether you're in debt by thousands or hundreds, a path to millionaire status is possible. Rather than seeking quick riches, shift your mindset towards the most efficient and sustainable route to wealth. Your financial journey doesn't conclude with debt repayment. It marks the beginning of a brighter future. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to a financially secure tomorrow. Stay determined, focused, and seek the knowledge you need to thrive. Your financial future is within reach, and with persistence, you'll achieve the goals you've set for yourselves. That wraps up today's discussion. Feel free to share your insights in the comments below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and hit the subscribe button for more engaging content. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you want to become rich, it all begins with the person you see in the mirror.